beautiful natural lovers, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Shauna, and if you're new here, welcome. And for the day one people them, big up on yourself. We're happy if you have everybody on board. Before I jump into this video, remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss a video. Alright, so let's jump right into the video. First thing first, I'm going to show you all what I am going to be using to do this particular hairstyle. Look, guys. Alright, so I'm going to be using some Eco Styler gel to do this hairstyle. Maybe some hair wax, I'm not quite sure yet, but we'll see what will happen. But I don't think I'm going to be using it, but maybe. Some hair beads, some bobby pins, using this hair that I already pre-twist. It is Ghana braid. Yeah, so I twisted a Ghana braid. Okay, I'll be needing a comb, some black rubber bands, some small ones and some big ones. I may use this to do my edges. I may. So with this section, I am going to be doing some fading braids. So guys, I'm also going to be using this here. What I did with the Ghana braid is to cut it in half, because I don't want the cornrows that I'm doing in the front, the hair ends, to be long. I need them to be a bit short. I need to get this little piece of hair out of the way. Right, there we go. So I'm gonna go right ahead and cane roll my hair. I think about 4 to 5 times I cane roll my hair. Then I'm gonna be adding this small strand of hair to my hair, and I am just gonna be fading it in. Alright, so I'm gonna do this until I am satisfied with the length. So basically I'm just adding here. I'm just gonna go right ahead and add the beads to my hair. So yeah, there you have it. That's how we look with the bead. Gonna be doing the same thing that I did on this side to the other side. Okay. Now I'm going to go right ahead and use this Eco Styler gel. So I'm using these bigger rubber bands to catch all of my hair up in one. Now I am going to be adding this pre-twisted Ghana braid to my hair. So basically I'm just adding it over that little bun that I have. It was a bit of a challenge sticking that bobby pin into my hair. Alright, so now I'm gonna be taking the twisted hair and, you know, wrapping it around my head, you know, make it look like a crown, you know. Right, and then I'm gonna be using bobby pins to pin it into, hold it into place, because we don't, girl don't want the hair fall out. I'm just, you know, checking out my hair to see if it's at the right place. So guys, I am waving my mind. I don't know which one of these to use to do my edges. I am just gonna go with the Eco Styler gel to do my baby hair. The hair actually done. The only thing I'm left to do is to do my makeup, but I am loving it. I'm just gonna go right ahead and add some hair gel to it. So guys, I went and I did my makeup. Yeah, so that's the outcome of the hairstyle. Okay, natural lovers, so there you have it. That's the end of the video. Hope each and everyone enjoyed the video. Remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. I wonder what you're waiting for. Hit that subscribe button, alright? And remember to turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss a video. Until next time, guys. Bye, everyone.